The top leadership of the Congress is upset that the government was not able to stop a recent auction of Mahatma Gandhi's items in London, including a piece of soil soaked with Gandhi's blood from his assassination in 1948. There were also some letters, his glasses, as well as a prayer book. A top Congress leader has also written to the Prime Minister on the issue, but is the controversy more political than sentimental?
A pinch of sand soaked with the Mahatma's blood, 8 letters, his handwritten and typed postcards, a pair of spectacles, a piece of flannel with a reading glass, a prayer book in Gujarati, and a gramophone record containing his speeches. All sold off in an auction by Malaks earlier this month. An auction that, according to sources, has upset the Congress chief and senior Congress leaders. Congress sources confirm that the party's displeasure has been conveyed to the government at the highest level and a formal communication sent to Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. But is the concern simply emotional, or are there more political reasons? The auction could well be a problem for the Congress in Gujarat, the Mahatma's home state, which goes to the polls later this year. The BJP, sensing an opportunity, is getting ready for the attack, fine-tuning its battle strategy.
We should collect all those important, valuable things and bring them back home. And because, anything related to the father of nation, it's a matter of pride for all of us to bring that back to the country.
The government, however, says that it's against the policy. According to a cabinet minister, Kumari Shelja, the government cannot take part in any auction. It's against government rules.
While it's true that government rules do not allow the government of India to directly take part in an auction, on earlier occasions, NRIs have bailed out. They have not only bidded for Gandhiji's artifacts, articles, but they've also been kind enough to gift it back to the country. Now some say perhaps it's time for the government to change rules so that it can directly intervene if any of Gandhiji's heritage is put up for auction. In New Delhi, Sandeep Phukan, NDTV.
So as there's an uproar and a political uproar over the auction of Mahatma Gandhi's items, we're asking whether we're too touchy about our national icons or whether we should actually be outraged that his items were sold the way that they were. Radha Bhatt, the president of the Gandhi Peace Foundation, is also here with us tonight. Lord Meghnad Desai joins us from London as well as Professor Mushirul Hasan. Let me first ask Professor Mushirul Hasan, how outraged are you by this particular auction, and why? Because it's not the first time that Gandhi's belongings have been auctioned. It's happened in the past. Why do you think that it's generated so much controversy this time?
Well, I'm not particularly outraged, but I'm saddened by the fact that that we have lost such precious things which are associated with the Mahatma. And I'm also saddened by the fact that howsoever much we invoke our past, the fact of the matter is that we have very little respect for, concern for our heritage or our inheritance. And this is a very good example of letting these things being auctioned. And this is, as you said rightly, this is not the first time that this has happened. It has happened in the past too. And I think it's important to be alerted to this reality and to perhaps take some corrective steps immediately before we lose whatever other important things.
What do you think those corrective steps could be? Because at the moment, the rules don't permit the government to take part in auctions like this. Do you think that needs to change?
I think that the government needs to. I think, if you're asking me, the government needs to take a proactive policy. I mean, I don't know the technical aspects of whether the government can or cannot take part in an auction, but certainly the government can initiate a process whereby we can identify what are the papers or artifacts connected with Gandhi that are available in different parts of the world. Suddenly you hear something coming up in South Africa, something coming up somewhere else. We don't even, so we keep an account of what is where. And once we have an inventory, I think it is then possible to proceed and explore different ways of.
Let me ask Radha ji. Radha ji, are you angry with the government today? क्या आपको गुस्सा है सरकार पे कि ये auction नहीं रोक पाए?
In the beginning of this month, when I heard of this news, Then I wrote a letter to Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, that you please activate your Ministry of Culture and your Foreign Ministry and also the High Commission in London. And they can ask the government there that why don't you stop it? At least postpone it, and then we can decide about it, that what could be done. Because
you didn't get a response to that letter.
I didn't get any response. I know that the very well-known Hindi writer Giriraj Kishore, he even said that I am going to return my Padma Shri because this is the question of the national integrity and national what you call in Hindi, this is asmita, you know, this is our
pride.
Yeah, pride. And but nothing happened. And
so why do you think Sonia Gandhi is so upset about it now? Do you think the reasons are political more than sentimental? Do you think it's more a political reason, or that they've genuinely realized that they messed up?
I think they might have understood that they have done some mistake, because otherwise this was the action should have been taken earlier, and then of course something could happen there. And especially I think this blood of father of nation, that is really something which we have lost and which is a shame for us.
It's a shame.
Yeah.
You think that was totally tasteless?
Yes.
Do you have the IndyTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at IndyTVProfit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.